Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your own personal VPN with Wireguard. Why would you want a VPN? A VPN allows you to access your home network from anywhere around the world. You could be in, say, the Balearic Islands near Spain, and you want to watch something on the BBC. But the BBC won't allow you to access the website outside of the UK. With this, you'll be able to bypass all the restrictions and watch whatever you want to, like EastEnders. Not only will you be able to do that, but it will also securely and freely allow you access to anything at home. It'll stop pesky people from seeing what you're up to, and you'll be able to access stuff on your own servers at home if you have any. All you need to set this up is a Raspberry Pi or a Ubuntu server running at least 18.04. If you have an old computer, setting up Raspberry Pi is pretty easy. So let me show you my IP address. Most of it is blocked out because I do have the same IP address for up to a month. So first thing you need to do is update your server using sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade. Next, we're going to use this quick and easy command. You can copy it straight from the comments and paste it straight into your SSH, or you can type it in yourself. This command will show you a GUI in setting up Wireguard VPN. Once it's complete, just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be up and running before you know it. The installation will ask you to set up a static IP address. If you haven't got one set up, this will do it all for you. It'll ask you to select a user, just pick any if you've got multiple. Here you can install WireGuard or OpenVPN. It's entirely down to you which one you choose. I'm going for WireGuard because I like it the best. On this next part, you'll need to note down the port number in order to set your router's firewall rules to forward this port. Every router is different. There are guides out there on Google to show you how to do this. Here you can select your DNS server. You can choose from the multiple ones that are there, or even set your own custom DNS. I plan on doing a video on setting up your custom DNS soon. For now, I'm just going to select Cloudflare, as it's the closest server to my house. Here you can select whether it's an IP address or a dynamic DNS system. If you have a place that has multiple changes of IP addresses, I recommend doing dynamic DNS. It's easy enough to set up. There's plenty of instructions out there. If you want me to do one, let me know below. So now that's all set up, run the command pivpn and you'll get a list of different stuff you can do. All we're interested in at the moment is add and QR code. Let's add a user and get this thing up and running. Use the command pivpn-a. When creating a new user, please remember that you cannot use spaces between the names. Once that's completed, use the following command pivpn-qr. This will generate a QR code that you can copy onto your phone and export onto OneDrive or whatever your preferred server is. I'm going to open up Wireguard and import the file to download all the information to create a tunneling network. I'm going to disable my home network so I am on mobile network connectivity only. Once that's done, I'm going to click activate to create a tunnel to my house. Let's open up Brave and see if we can get access to that internal server. As you can see, we're connected to the home network from my mobile network. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.